And speaking of the heat, it just feels like it's just hot everywhere in our area, and that's because it is. Let's go over now to Robert Suhr, our meteorologist. We're not seeing any relief anytime soon. In fact, I think you said we even going to go a couple of degrees hotter the next couple of days?
Yes, unfortunately, that heat is unrelenting, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon, folks. And it was a very, very hot day out there today. I want to start with some of those communities across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley that joined the elusive 100-degree club today, and there were many of them. My goodness, look at some of those numbers. It's just ridiculous, the heat and the humidity, which makes it feel even warmer. I mean, these are air temperatures. We're not showing high heat indices here. These are the actual air temperatures, well over 100 degrees in some locations. You know, even Holiday Island up near the Missouri border, 101. So this isn't just a River Valley issue. Thanks to this large area of high pressure, this heat dome that continues to sit here and spin and just pump all that hot and warm areas, basically parked over Texarkana today. Tomorrow it'll shift a little bit to the south and the west, but we'll still be firmly entrenched under the hottest air that we've seen in several years. Heat advisory already slapped up through Thursday. The Weather Service is not messing around with this heat. And notice all of the excessive heat warnings. Most of Missouri now, in fact, 21 states across the lower 48 under some sort of a heat advisory or an excessive heat warning. That does include the Carolinas and the Piedmont area of the state of Virginia. Out there right now, it's hot no matter where you look. Triple-digit heat in the River Valley, right around 100 degrees. In northwest Arkansas, you can see those numbers for your community at this hour. Mostly upper 90s, River Valley 100+ numbers all across the board basically. And if it's not 100, it's 99. You're close enough there in Alma and Mulberry. And temperatures really aren't going anywhere tonight, even though we have mostly clear skies. It takes so long for the ground and that heat to radiate back up into the atmosphere. By the time it starts to, the sun comes right back up and starts to heat everything back up again. Back into the 90s by lunch hour tomorrow, triple-digit heat again as you head home tomorrow evening. Into the 80s tomorrow night, and then waking up Thursday morning still very, very warm. We've got a Category 3 hurricane in the eastern Pacific. This is Bonnie, winds of 115 miles an hour, continuing to strengthen, but long-term guidance does have it weakening as it moves further out into the Pacific Ocean over the next couple of days. Tonight, very muggy, temperatures in the 70s, and then right back into the triple-digit heat for most of us. Wednesday and Thursday, probably the hottest days of the week. So if you thought it was hot today, well, wait till tomorrow. And heat indices tomorrow yet again, very dangerously hot out there for your Wednesday. And the 7-day, not a lot of relief, unfortunately, in northwest Arkansas. I actually did bump temperatures down slightly for tomorrow, just 99 instead of 100. You know, I mean, what are you going to do with this kind of a heat? We might get a brief cool down Saturday with a very weak cold front that may try to get here. River Valley, oppressively hot. Look at all of those triple-digit heat. I mean, that's my nightmare right there. Unfortunately, it's just so hot. Now, today in the 4-degree guarantee, we forecast in Shady Grove. Almost got it perfect. A degree off. That's good enough. Congratulations to Michelle of Muldrow. She's going to get the Darby Bybee umbrella. Tomorrow, we're going to take you to Vian in Sallisaw County there, or Sequoia County, excuse me. 101 is what we're forecasting for Vian. We'll see how we do tomorrow. Stay with us. Brandon is back after the break with a complete, comprehensive check of the sports world. Stay with us.